Hi, what's up guys? Welcome back to Take Charlie. I hope you guys have a wonderful day. In today's video, let's walk you through how to control wireless earbuds. So most of the wireless earbuds do stock up with touch control for media playback gestures such as volume up and down, previous or next track, pause and play, voice command, and call controllings. Now let's check up a demo on my current TWS earbuds. Well, TWS earbuds allows this touch control on both of the earbuds itself, but there are little different gestures. Here are all we do touch it when media is playing. To play and pause, one tap on the left or right earbud. To play the next track or video, double tap on the right earbud. To volume up, hold and tap on the right earbud. To volume down, hold and tap on the left earbud. And here we go when a call is ringing. One tap on the right or left earbud to answer the call, and again one tap to end the call. Just so you know how convenient it is when you have a wireless earbuds with inbuilt touch control functions. Commonly, most wireless earbuds do have these options available. They might be slightly different in terms of touch gestures, such as one tap in this earbuds brand can be a double tap gesture in another. Some common found touch control gestures in earbuds are single tap, double tap, single touch and hold, swipe left or right, swipe up or down, tap and hold, etc. However it might be for your current earbuds controlling. Don't forget to share with us your earbuds brand and how to control it under the comments section down below. Thanks for watching and bye for now.